Here's your mounts in here, right? So all your nuts and bolts, everything in a 3x5 American flag. All right, you guys. Thanks. Take care. Any issues or problems, let me know, and I'd love to see the video.
I'll shoot you a link of it when I put it up.
Okay.
There's the flag. Project finished.
I'll trade it out for you for sure, man. Let's do the ball.
Is it the same price?
Yeah, I'll do the same price.
That's a quick one. I'd rather have the ball.
Okay. Can you see those far away?
Yeah, how far do you want to be? A mile?
Yeah, maybe.
Miles pushing it, half mile easily.
But the beacon is probably.
It's a mile.
Is it a mile?
Yeah.
Okay.
But you know, if it doesn't work out for you, you can exchange it. You get this nice bag. Okay. Here's your mounts in here, right? So all your nuts and bolts, everything in a 3x5 American flag. Instructions that no one ever reads. I took a long time with those. Here's your pole with your rings and clips. This is the 22-foot pole.
Okay.
And you got the complete set.
Okay.
Is that easy?
Yeah.
Just that easy.
Do you have a car?
Okay. Here we are. Went to quartzsite yesterday to the big tent and come out with a flag pole. Lynn always wanted one, so we got a flag pole to put up today. We're gonna kind of show you what's going on with that. It's the P&H Deluxe, or P&H 22 Deluxe, 22 foot, and it comes with the flag and this bag of goodies here, which is the rings for the flag. And then we purchased another flag, because this flagpole will hold 2 flags. And then you want to give me the box of the solar. We also purchased a solar orb. And it's been sitting out here all morning getting charged up, I hope. Lynn's got the instructions. And as always, we read and follow the instructions. Right? All right. I didn't think we had holes in the beginning because I pulled it up like that. I didn't see any.
Pull it up and twist.
So you got to twist to get them up. So,
and
that's tight.
Well, to collapse it, you're supposed to just remove the pins and hold the pole vertical and smack the bottom on the ground firmly.
Oh. Okay. Well, here we go.
I can't help you and film you too unless I just put this on the ground.
I don't even need a wrench. They've already got the nut hole built into it. So just to get a feel for it.
It says to extend the smallest pole section of the pole first, and then secure the pole sections together by pulling and twisting as hard as you can until it will not twist.
Okay. I'm going to go on the other side.
And then you got to install the flag rings.
Yeah, that's all afterwards. This will all come out. We'll put it all together after we get the mounts on.
I really don't think you're following the directions.
I said we read and follow all instructions. way up in there. You got to get this nut up in there.
What's that?
The globe. So I think I've got to get me a socket, a shallow socket, and an extension.
Gosh.
That'll fit. And the wind out here just kind of like comes and goes. That's the way it is. installation of the flagpole. Since we have a toy hauler and our ladder is on the side, I had to put the top bracket up there where I did, because now you're putting the pole up this way. If you didn't do that, put it up there where it's at, you have to, the pole would be hitting the roof. So that's how I put it in. You do whatever how you want, but it's on 2 different sections. They say it's best to put it all on one section, which I would agree it is. But the further you get these brackets apart, the better support you're going to have. And I'll just tighten that up there with another thickness of Velcro. I think it'll work just fine.